Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about the different parts of a book. Now, this is a book that we've already read. It's called The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. But do you know what this part of the book is called? This part of the book is called the front cover. So everybody look at this. This is the front cover. On the front cover of the book, it tells us what the book is about. It has a title that's called The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog. It also has the author, who is the person who wrote the book, and sometimes it has a separate illustrator. Today, Mo Willems wrote the book and drew the pictures, so he is our author because he wrote the words, and he's our illustrator because he drew the pictures. Now, another important part of the book is the back of the book. Here's the back of a book. On the back of the book, sometimes they tell what the book is about. Now, another part of the book is the spine of the book. This is the spine of the book. And if you look very closely on the spine of this book, it tells you the name of the book so that when you put it away on a shelf with other books, you can find the one that you're looking for. Now, reading has a certain way that it goes. We start here and move across the page this way. This is called reading from left to right. Now, after I read the word the and pigeon, I go down to the next row and start on the left again and read the words finds a hot dog. So that is reading left to right and from top to bottom. Would it make sense if I read it like this? Hot dog finds the pigeon? No, that doesn't make sense. So make sure that you're reading from top to bottom. The pigeon finds a hot dog. Now, when we open a book, we want to start reading from the left side. So we start reading over here on this page. We start at the top and go down to the bottom, and then we start at the top and go down to the bottom again. This book has words all over, but we still go in the same order. Then we turn the page. So we start at the front of the book and end up at the end of the book. These are some things that I want you to think about when you're looking at books at home. These are called concepts of print. I hope that helps. Have a great day.